When some of these drastic changes, like earthquakes and volcanoes, occur, it could lead to extinction. And what is extinction? A species becomes extinct when there are no more individuals of that species left. When we say species, we are talking about organisms that are closely related and can interbreed to produce young ones. Now, this dodo and this Tasmanian wolf are not of the same species because they cannot interbreed to produce a fertile offspring. So species, when we say species, we're talking about organisms that are closely related and can interbreed to produce fertile offsprings. Now, when individuals in the species cannot be found, we say that organism is extinct. Now, extinction could be caused by diseases. Let's say a disease particular to that species comes and then wipes out the whole population of that organism. Availability of new predators. Those organisms could be fed on by other organisms, or they could be killed for specific purposes, and that could also result in extinction. Changes in physical environment. For example, if the polar bear all of a sudden finds itself in extremely hot weather conditions, the polar bear may not be able to survive, and therefore the polar bear species will be wiped off. Lastly, competition with other organisms. When the organism is found in an area where it is kin or it can be able to survive, clearly that organism will be available. But if it finds itself in the midst of other predators, other organisms competing for the same food, clearly the weaker ones are going to die out. So extinction occurs when there are no individuals of a specific species left.